Nominated ward commissioners of 9 municipal boards sworn in on Wednesday. NCHSCEM inaugurates new water tanker truck in Haflong. Incomplete bridges prolonging communication woes of number 2 Dolamara area. Hello and a very good morning to all the viewers of Karbi Anglong Live News. You're with Julie Baby with the latest news of the day. Now let's look into the news in detail. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang on Wednesday informed that 11 fresh cases of COVID-19 positive were reported from Karbi Anglong district. Following this, the total number of COVID-19 cases in the district now stands at 167, while no new patients have recovered in the last few days, with a tally of recovered patients still at 64. The CEM informed that all of the COVID-19 positive patients had travel history and were all returnees from outside the state. While assuring that the situation is under control, the CEM also appealed upon the people to stay calm and not to panic. On the other hand, 226 new cases have been reported from Assam, while 197 more patients have been discharged on Tuesday from several hospitals in Assam, taking the count of discharged persons to 3,762. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. The oath-taking ceremony for the nominated ward commissioners of municipal boards of both Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong was held in the Secretariat building of KAAC, Dipu on Wednesday. The event was held in the presence of KAAC CM Tuliram Ronghang, MP Horen Singbe, KAAC Deputy Speaker Ritesh Inghi, several EMs and MACs, Principal Secretaries, Secretaries and others. As per the rule, 2 members have been nominated by the KAAC in the 9 town committees. A total of 18 new ward commissioners took oath of office. Later in the afternoon, a mass BJP joining program was held in Joy Singh Doloi Auditorium. The team of newly joined members was led former Karbi Anglong District Mahila Congress President Kasang Terangpi. More than 100 members of Congress and APHLC have embraced the lotus and committed to work for the BJP.
Karbi Anglong ro dimahaso ejone hangore hangoro BJP aru Karbi Anglong ro dimahaso 5 jon MLA bidhayok ase ei 5 jon bidhayoko BJP party logote Karbi Anglong jitu autonomous council 26টা সমষ্টি আছে আৰু এই 26টা সমষ্টিৰ MAC সন্মানীয় MAC বিলাকৰ আজি BJP লগতে টাউন কমিটিৰ যিমান আছে কাৰ্বি আংলঙত সকলো এইটো নহয় লেন্স লৈ যায় তালৈকে সব বিজেপিৰ দখলত আছে।
Vikram Crow reporting for New Dax. For now, let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news. Welcome back to Karbi Anglong Live News after the break. In an effort to solve the persisting water crisis in Haflong, the Public Health Engineering Department, under the initiative of its executive member Amendu Hojai on Wednesday, inaugurated a 8,000 liters capacity water tanker truck at PHE office premise in Haflong. He also inaugurated an officer's quarter for the department. Speaking at the inauguration, EM Hojai informed that 4 more water tanker trucks will be added to the department to eradicate water crisis in Haflong. While talking about department matter, EM stated that in few days the pending salary will be released for the 282 grade 4 employees of the department who had not received their salary for 12 months. He also informed that the state finance minister had already taken up the matter.
पिछले आप लोगों को पानी का मतलब प्रॉब्लम है क्राइसिस जो सूखना टाइम में क्योंकि आप लोग में देखो चाटिंगा नदी सूखना टाइम में सूख जाता नदी भी और देखो रेगजल वाला भी सूख जाता पानी बीऊंग वाला भी इस बार जो सूखना टाइम में हम लोग गया था नदी में पानी नहीं रहते तो टैंकर का भी जरूरी है आप लोगों में और हम लोग इस बार आप लोगों के लिए स्पेशली लाइन बढ़ाने के लिए कोशिश किया आपका जो बीऊंग में तो अभी एक लाइन ही आया था आप लोगों में अभी और एक लाइन बढ़ाया और हो गया हम लोग का अभी सिग्नेचर स्कीम सेटिंग से ये कल ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 10 दिन के अंदर टेंडर हो जाएगा।
Meanwhile, PWD department is working on full swing to restore the 90 meters route near Boro Haflong, which had sank recently due to heavy rainfall. The authority is trying their best to restore the linking route at the earliest. Suraj Barman reporting from Haflong for Karbi Anglong Live. The construction of bridge number 22/1 over Diflo River and bridge number 27/3 over Kaipo Langsu River have been put on halt for a long time. Even after 10 years of the construction, the contractor Rajesh Das, with his snail pace of work, has not been able to show any sign of improvement, due to which people are left to suffer as they always had been. Our correspondent on Wednesday visited the bridge to know the grievances of the public.
Standing over here to inspect down long-standing incomplete bridge over River Kakosang. The bridge number was 27 has 3. Selebangso adilong ke kwana jiu ding lo ki mane foundation ke lit tangke.
Sai ningkan kep ta ke lit lo. Bangso foundation stone ke cheng kan ke. Labangso kam ke cheng a lom ke mesen monster yang bong lom lason contractor la pente la level dang bong peni ke chiton ti lason se thek long masi kam claim template lason do la se pini alian mang ke bangso kam tang ya nai poster tang te.
A truck carrying sand for the construction of PMAY house sank in the mud and not able to move for 2 days. The driver along with the laborers were seen struggling to pull out the truck.
Nalo nali tula sobali pon jibu ke.
Beto birong.
Kopi phane.
Cancel pha.
Oh te lage mentu belo ching thang ke.
Ve pen lo.
Ene tu ve jo. Oh.
Dilong ka ve je ni. Asun.
Te don ke ki un popul ma un ela.
Ni la. Tong ke la.
Tu ve jo pang thang na dak tong dulu bosol ke.
Jai dulu.
Oh te la delong tang tirek pen potsi la poson lo di.
Oi te la samne.
Kopi lo pujin te delong puthak ke.
La dilong bang baprap din sini lu.
La bangso delong chini tu mani kan lo tang te.
Kan kiap ni dulu.
Oh.
Even after repeated news coverage on the matter and the demands of the people, neither the contractor nor the authority has taken any steps to start the work and complete the bridge. This is one glaring instance of how slow development works are carried out in the interior parts of the district.
The people here around with me urge the authority to complete this incomplete building and complete bridge very soon, as the summer has been started flooding every year, and the current the river which flows from the upper side of the hills has a very strong current. Therefore, those people who are standing beside me urge the consultancy to complete and monitor this construction hurriedly. Thank you. This is Arjun Sonrong reporting, Karbi Anglong Live.
RJ Sonrongpa reporting from Dolamara for Karbi Anglong Live. The Bokajjan Regional Committee of the Karbi Students Association, along with a team of Khatkati police, had on Tuesday visited 2 quarantine centers in Bokajjan subdivision to take stock of the problems being faced by the inmates. The team was led by KSA CAC member Barnabas Killing, KSA Bokajjan Regional Committee President Samson Togbi, Secretary Nobin Rongpi, and accompanied by KSA Balijan Branch, Diphu Branch, along with Bokajjan SDPO John Das, Khatkati OC Maublik Brahma. The team visited the quarantine center in SDO Civil building and spent nearly an hour in discussion with the inmates. The inmates informed that some of them have already spent more than 20 days in quarantine but still waiting for the test results, which is a great inconvenience for them physically and mentally.
Main problem to আজি আমাৰ ইনচাৰ্জক মই আজি ফোন কৰা কমসে কম এসপ্তাহ পাৰ হৈ গ'ল। প্ৰথমতে মই যিটো বিচাৰিছিলোঁ আমাৰ চেনিটাইজাৰ স্প্ৰে বিচাৰিছিলোঁ, সেইদিনা নিদিলে মই সেইটো আকৌ বাদ দি দিলোঁ। আজি 3 দিন বেছি হ'ল, আজি 7 দিনমান হ'ল। চেনিটাইজাৰ চাবোন চাৰ্ট বিচাৰিছিলোঁ, ইনচাৰ্জে একো খবৰ খাতি নিদিলে।
Later, the KSA, accompanied by Borpathar Police 2nd OC Nilutpal Dole, also visited quarantine center situated at Japrajan Holy Family School, where the students' organization interacted with the inmates and collect their feedback on relief and other operations carried out by the government against COVID-19. While assuring all help, the student leaders appealed upon the inmates to continue their support and cooperation with the authority in battle against the pandemic in coming days. Vijay Rongpi from Delight reporting for Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Stay safe.